Hi there, Wilde here from CJW Realty, and we are at June 30 today, approaching the end of financial year, and people have sort of been asking me some questions about the timing of the market and when it's a good time to sell. When deciding to sell, you have to first of all appoint an agent who does understand the various types of markets specific to a sales campaign for that property and the general market. So this means who are the likely buyers of that particular type of property, what is the size of the pool of buyers for that particular type of property and price range, and what stage is our overall market cycle in. And a few of those variables that will affect that overall market cycle is obviously, the banks and their lending criteria. High risk lending generally in Australia does remain low. We're still in a pretty good cycle. The southwest is still placed by banks as relatively low risk real estate, and we're seeing also the interest rate cycle as another variable affecting that, specifically with banks. So we have gone into a new interest rate cycle of lowering this year, and I think it will keep going lower because inflation fell 0.4% in the last quarter to 2.4%, which is the lowest rate since pre-COVID. So that suggests that interest rates will continue to go down. So therefore, more people would be looking to get into the market to secure a property loan and buy some real estate. And another factor that affects this is housing supply, and it's still low. So most of the houses we're seeing that come on the market still are selling in our area in, between 1 to 3 weeks. If the marketing campaign has been done correctly for that type of property. So there's a few factors that are working there. It's still a good time to sell, even though we're in the middle of winter here. I expect that we will be moving forward into a reasonably strong spring campaign this year and a very strong run up to Christmas. If you're specifically wanting some advice on your property, where it sits in the market, what sort of a selling campaign would be suitable for that property, whether it's a no price campaign or a from price campaign or price ranges given, there is various options there, and that will deliver various results if they're used correctly, the best result. So we're all ears here. We're happy to take a call and just have a private discussion around where the property sits in the market and some ideas around that. If you were selling, crunch some numbers and work out whether it's a good time to move. So call myself or one of the team here at CJW Realty. More than happy to have a chat with people. And just remember, see me if you need to sell.